So this is how to fix YouTube network connection problem. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. After that, tap on Google Play Store. Tap on the searches. So in the search bar, what you have to do is to search for YouTube. When it appears, tap on it. When you tap on it, and you are seeing update, when you are seeing this, then you tap on it. But when you are not seeing this updates, but rather when you are seeing open, don't tap on it. After that, after tapping on the update, it's going to load and you're going to see open in that section. So next thing you have to do is to go to Google, your menu, then you tap on settings. After that, tap on apps and notification. Then after tapping on it, you're going to see it's loading. Then you tap on the see apps after loading. And it's loading over here. And after loading, you're going to see all your app listed from A to Z in alphabetical form. So after that, you have to scroll and search for YouTube. Or you can also search over here by typing. Sorry. That was YouTube music. So tap on YouTube, then you tap on okay, so that's it. So this is YouTube. Then you tap, make sure all the notification is toggled on over here, so everything is on. Then now you tap on permission, make sure every permission is allowed. Then you go back, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache, and also go back. After doing that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction. Make sure background data is toggled on, which is really important. After doing all this, tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. Then you go back. After doing all this, what you have to do lastly is to tap on your power button for some while. Then you tap on restart, then you tap on OK, and everything is going to be successful after restarting it. See you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any problem, let me know in my comment section.